In this video, I am going to show you how to access your 1099K issued by Amazon. So first you need to log into your Amazon Seller Central account dashboard. And then you need to click the three dots or three lines, they call it the hamburger menu, in the upper left-hand corner. Once the menu pops up, we're going to select reports, and then we're going to go to the tax document library. And then once your tax document library page comes up, you will see down here a drop down. It's already on 1099K, and you will see your 1099Ks listed here by year. If you click on it, you should be able to download it. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to check out the other videos in our How to Find My 1099K series.